Hello, this is Emma from Jiangsu Clelo. I'm the sales director responsible for all of our sales and solar projects. Today, I'd like to introduce the AIKO BC 650 watt, manufactured by AIKO. It's a BC cell technology, 144 half-cut cells, single glass, with module efficiency of 24.1%. We have installed it on the Carport project. The AIKO 650 watt single glass modules have a clean, uniform look. The larger size means fewer panels are needed to reach the target capacity, which simplifies the layout and reduces the mounting points for a more organized installation. In real-world use, the AIKO 650 watt BC panels hold up really well even in high heat or humidity. They keep putting out strong and stable power thanks to their low temperature coefficiency and the solid build quality. AIKO 650 watt BC modules lead with industrial top efficiency up to 24.1% and a clean, grit-free front design that captures 100% of sunlight for higher power output. Officially, they deliver 6 to 10% more energy than TOPCon in the same space, plus better performance in heat, shade, and real-world conditions. AIKO is basically the leader in BC module technology right now. Compared with other big names, AIKO's BC panels deliver more power in the same space and perform better in real-world conditions like heat or low light. AIKO's BC panels are awesome, but yeah, they do cost a bit more than standard PERC or TOPCon options. So the upfront budget is a little bit higher. And because of the BC technology is still newer and less widespread, there's less long-term field data out there. So that will lead some conservative project developers give it the parts. AIKO 650 watt BC panels are generally seen as a premium option. Most people agree they cost more than standard PERC or TOPCon modules, but that's expected for high-end efficiency and clean, grit-free design. Compared to other big names, the pricing on the higher side, though the projects where performance and aesthetic matters, the long-term gains usually make up upfront cost worthwhile. AIKO's 650 watt BC panels are pretty low maintenance. Solid build quality means fewer issues over time, and the warranty terms are in line with industrial standards. So far, major hidden costs haven't really shown up in real-world use. My score for AIKO 650 watt in terms of installation and usability, I like to give it a 4. And for performance and reliability, let's give it a 3.5. And for build quality and durability, it's 4. Value for money, 3.5. And in terms of overall satisfaction, we like to give it a 4. If moving on from AIKO's BC panels, TOPCon modules are the go-to alternative. Right now, we are considering the TCL brand TOPCon 720 watt. It's a bigger power.